Hey guys, this is Mike from Beat Tech Reviews, and today we are taking a look at the Samsung A36 Poetic cases. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are unboxing a few cases from Poetic. If you guys haven't seen or checked out their cases, I'm going to leave a few links in the description down for you below, specifically the two cases that they sent me. But they have a pretty good variety of phone cases that are rugged but also slim and slender at the same time. So again, today we are looking at the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. And let's go ahead and bust out the cases. I'm gonna go ahead and bust out, let's see, the Poetic Revolution Galaxy A36 Black. So again, this one I believe is going to be a more rugged case, and we're going to check that out for you guys. Hopefully everyone's doing good. If you guys can and you guys are just joining in, please smash the like button. It does help. It helps the algorithm, and definitely leaving comments also does help also. So if you can just leave a hey in the comments, or just smash the like button, whatever you guys want to do. Any engagement honestly helps out. Definitely trying to revamp the channel a little bit. So again, let's go ahead and take a look at the case here. So this one is an all black case, and as you can see here, obviously it's got the Poetic, the little Poetic logo on the bottom and in the middle. And if you guys look at this, it does have a cover for your camera bumps. So this case is obviously going to be catered more for people that are more outdoorsy or on the go. I would see somebody that is like a construction worker, or maybe somebody that likes to go hiking a lot. Obviously somebody that drops their phone a lot as well. But check this out, you guys, just so you can see. Also, it does have a little phone stand. That way, if you guys are at work or on break and you have a flat surface to lay your phone on, you can definitely use that to watch your items on. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Usually these just come off, but today they are not coming off. I don't know what's going on. But again, it just shows you that please separate the front frame from the lower right corner. So again, it's even giving you like instructions, because a lot of times in the past I've had issues with these little things where you just can't remove them, and now it tells you that on the bottom right corner, you can see there it does have like a little wedge where you can kind of stick your finger in there, and it makes it a little bit easier to pull out the case here. So again, guys, you know me, I like to not use the part where, and again, you can see here that that's the bottom, but I like to use the part that doesn't have a screen cover. So they do also send you a cover from the front that has like a protective screen. I typically don't like using this just because, again, I'm not a fan of the material itself. So again, this might not be for me, but for people that want that added protection to avoid scratches on their phone, you guys can do that. Just for kicks, I'm going to go ahead and use this one though. Again, it does show you that, again, fingerprint sensor, remove film. So there is a film on this one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the film on the back. And again, the reason why I don't like to do it is because my phone is always dusty also. So it's kind of impossible to avoid dust. Now, of course, you're putting the phone in your pocket all the time. Like literally, I just laid the phone down and I already see a few hairs. And again, I don't know if this is the front or the back. Nope, it's the back. Okay, interesting. It says peel this off. I'm trying to. There we go. Peel this off. So again, as instructed, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this on here again. And it even shows you kind of like a little indentation of where the fingerprint sensor should be. It knows exactly where the fingerprint sensor should be. So let me go ahead and slide this in. So usually it's very easy to slide them in. I always try to go from the top, and then I just kind of try to press it in as best as I can. Usually you do have to kind of link up the back over here. So again, you might have to work with it a little bit to get it going, but for the most part, you do see here that like sometimes you have to kind of like push in the sides here, right here on top also. Again, excuse the light, definitely not trying to turn that on. Let's turn the phone off just so you guys can see a little bit better. But again, for the most part, easy peasy. Again, again, not a fan of the screen cover just because of that. You're always going to get like some sort of bubbles. You really can't notice with the screen on. But let's go ahead and take a look at this case all around now that the phone is in it. So again, it does have that protectivity of, you know, the that there. And let me go ahead and change the color real quick, because I do want to get like a nice thumbnail over here, you know what I mean? Nice thumbnail. Let's take a picture. Hopefully that looks good. Take another picture. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Does this look cooler in blue? Should I just leave it in blue, guys? I'll finish the video off in blue, I guess. But yeah, for the most part, let's take a look. Let's see if it, you know, if having the screen protector really affects the fingerprint. I don't think it does, honestly. Let's see. And I didn't do, I also, you know, did it with the face unlock. The face unlock seems to be working okay. So there you go. You know, I was having issues with that on my unlock video. I have a video of the fingerprint sensor with the unlock, and it's working now, and I'm wearing my glasses, so that's pretty trippy. But yeah, check out the phone case all the way around. Again, it is rugged. Again, you can just turn this out. Now, to some degree, this phone does have a little bit of waterproofing. I believe it's IP rated when it comes to waterproofing, and the case will also give you a little bit of extra protection, but not so much to where it's going to be foolproof, obviously. But, you know, again, you know, you still have like the cutouts for like the microphone. It does cover up the USB Type-C area though, so just a heads up on that, guys. If you guys are not a fan of having to do you know, remove this off and on, I'm sure there's actually a way to probably just get a box cutter and slice this off. So, you know, again, for people that are not a fan of having to move this up and down, this phone does not wirelessly charge, unfortunately. So you do have to have a connection, you know, USB Type-C connection. You know, I'm not sure what to think about, you know, the sliding camera cover. It is cool, I guess, you know, to the point where, like, you know, again, you know, if you drop your phone or whatever, you know, again, sometimes people actually will crack their camera lenses. So again, it's never happened to me personally, but I've seen other people's phones that have it cracked. So again, just be wary, you know, that's what this phone is for. So, or what the phone case is for. So again, you know, let's put this on. You can see it now, like, you know, with the actual little thing there, whatever it's called, the kickstand. But, you know, again, the case is nice, and it doesn't make the phone too much heavier. It just makes the phone like nice and I guess I would say, you know, nice and sturdy, I guess is what I'm trying to go with. But, you know, it has good grip all the way around. Like, literally the texture on this is it's a very nice material, guys. This is kind of like nice and padded also. And again, it's a rugged case, guys. You know, you can't go wrong with a rugged case in 2025. You know, protect your investments. Even though this is only like a $350 phone, you know, let's take care of our devices. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and swap over to the next case. I'll go ahead and remove this, and we'll get that going for you guys. Okay, guys, so the other device, or the other phone case that we are looking at, is the Poetic Guardian case. This one, I'm not 100% sure. I think this one is a more minimalistic, but let's see. I could be wrong. Sometimes, you know, it's a very similar looking case. We'll take a look though. Again, I'm gonna leave it in the description for you guys. I think it's basically just just so you guys know, these do come with like cleaning pads. It says screen protector accessories, right? So how many phone you know, case companies will send you like literally all of this and the instructions on how to do that, right? Not many. Not many in my experience. Some of them will just send you the plastic casing, and that's it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this case over here, guys. Again, so this one is the Guardian case. Again, this one is more transparent, right? So if you want to show off the you know, the back portion of the phone, that is always an option. Again, I am not, to me personally though, again, you know, I'm not trying to like hate on the case or anything like that, but again, hairs, things, you really have to like detail clean this before putting it on, and I'm just not a fan. Let's go ahead. So I don't know, it's got two camera films actually. It says remove film. So let's see if it lets me do this one first. Or maybe that's nothing. I don't even know what that is. Maybe it's on the other side. Maybe it's just reminding you to do it. I don't think there's one on this side actually. I know it's on the inside though, so let's go ahead and do it on the inside really quick. The inside is right here, so you guys can see here there is a film on the inside. Again, you know, let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and just punch this No, not this one. Hold on. What did I do with the other one? The cover. I'm going to go ahead and punch the cover. Usually these front covers, by the way, they're very universal when it comes to the actual phone itself. So you can literally like just transfer one from one phone to one case to the other if you're buying a Poetic case. Let's go ahead and pop this in. Let's see if I was wrong. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Duh. Forgot to take this one out. There you go. I was like, why is it not going in, guys? Because it's the same thing, but either way, it's the same thing. It literally, they, like I said, these little plastic rings that go around the front, they are very the same, guys. So again, let's take a look at this, trying to just smooth out the edges here. So again, I did not put a plastic cover case on this. This one did come with one as well. But again, okay, let me go ahead and switch the lighting for you guys so we can get better lighting for you. But again, you know, it's really to each his own, right, when it comes to a case like this, right? This one, it looks like it's a little more blue, but I think it's just like a dark color. But again, you get, what is that? You get the logo Poetic right there on the side. You know, you get the camera bumps. You know, again, I don't know if I showed you the camera, or not the camera bumps, but the, let me move the mess here. But like the buttons on the other case also, you know, pretty much, at least it tells you what everything is for. Up and down, power button, same thing on this one, up and down power button, which is pretty cool. If you don't know what each is, again, you're gonna get the USB cutout on the bottom. But again, if you're not a fan of that, you know, just again, there's ways around it, guys. This one, unfortunately, does not have a kickstand. But again, oh yeah, here we go. Let's see. I didn't see this. There you go. There you go. I was wondering where that one is. So again, it did smooth out. The bubbles were from the plastic thing. Again, you can see like little microscopic pieces of dust and hairs. Now, of course, you can use the little kit that they sent with you. But I mean, just telling you guys by experience. You know, you can clean it as much as you want, but it's still gonna get dirty. Like, you know, you end up putting the phone in your pocket, like the dust and the, you know, will end up in the crevices of stuff like this. So that's why I'm not really a big fan of these type of cases. But you know, again, to each their own, guys, as far as that goes. You know, it really just depends on how often you take your phone out of your case and clean it also. So again, guys, the cool thing about Poetic cases are these cases are usually under $25, right? So again, if you look at this case also, this case also has some rubbery hard edges on it. So again, drop the phone on its face. I can drop the phone on its side or whatever. You know, it's gonna bounce if it falls, you know, hard, it's gonna bounce. You can see here that there's, you know, it's got like little rubber impacts. A lot of these, you know, absorb the fall, guys. These little pads absorb the fall, and it makes sure that your phone lands, you know, in a position where, you know, again, your screen's not going to get cracked. Now, of course, this one doesn't have the screen cover, but even then, like, look at the thickness of the actual front of it. You know, you got probably like a good couple millimeters to protect it from the glass, and this thing is only going to probably shatter unless it, like, you drop your phone on the edge of something, like, you know, in the corner of like a sidewalk or something, or like let's just say you drop it like directly like on a rock that's like sticking up like this, like, okay, then yeah, you're gonna have issues here. But the rest of the phone is going to survive, guys. So again, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and link up the items in the description below. Again, I really appreciate you guys watching this long. If you guys did, you know, tell me in the comments if you watched the whole video, guys. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for checking out the video here for the Poetic Revolution and Guardian case, guys, or Guardian cases, excuse me. And again, you guys have a good one. Appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button, and we'll see you guys next time.